This video will go from this to this using this. Okay, I don't know if you can see it all that well, but my lawn unfortunately is half mowed right now. Riding lawnmower gave up the ghost today. I think it's fixable. I think it's repairable, but I need to get my yard mowed. And I've been wanting to try out one of these battery powered lawnmowers for a while to use like behind my shed and stuff. So I thought I'd buy this to finish the job up today. And hopefully I'll fix the riding lawnmower and then use this one to do all the tighter work the riding lawnmower can't do. So anyway, let's get into it. Let's open it up. So yeah, by the way, this is kind of going backwards of what I did with my leaf blower. And the reason why is because, why not? Curiosity. Not a whole lot of pieces in here. There's the charger. There's the 40-volt lithium-ion battery. It's a serious battery. So I'm going to go take it inside right now and start charging while I unpack this. Grass catcher. It's easy enough. Okay, to fold it up, that's pretty simple. Just pull that. That allows it to fold. There's two different height levels here. Or angles. Right here and here. That one's not in yet. There we go. Handle. Orange manual. Take two batteries, but only comes with one. Like this right here, just a single point height adjustment. Okay, so the first battery's got to go into here. So then can't see it. That. So I thought I'd talk with it on so you can not hear how loud it is. It's not very loud at all. Okay, so that's pretty much where I ended the video and gave a summary of how much I like the battery operated lawnmower. I'd ran it for about 15 minutes to finish up that little cut that I did not get with the Arian, and then put everything up, charge the battery overnight so I could do my backyard. Well, that's where it went bad. I made about 4 strips in my backyard, which 4 or 5 passes, and then it died. The mower quit working. I reset it, turned it on for a second, shut off. So then I grabbed the battery, took it inside, and threw it on the charger, and it showed that it had between a quarter and a half full on the battery. I let it charge for a couple hours, took it back outside, and put it on the lawnmower. Of course, it did not have a full charge, and I didn't even get one pass in with it. The battery-powered lawnmower is not going to work for me. Now, if you have a yard that you can mow, say the front yard in 15 or 20 minutes, and then the backyard 15 or 20 minutes without any problem, maybe it'll work for you. Because then you get 2 batteries and swap them out. But with my yard, it would literally take, I don't know, 6 to 12 batteries to mow my full front and backyard. But ultimately, went back and bought a self-propelled gas lawnmower because I don't want to have to be at the mercy of waiting for batteries to charge and swapping them out and all that. Again, if you got a small yard, it's great, you know, especially if you just got, I don't know, Bermuda grass or whatever, nothing too thick. But if you got anything beyond that, you're going to need a lot of batteries, or you might want to go gas. Thank you for watching. Oh, and be sure to check out my other video on the Troy Bilt self-propelled lawnmower that I purchased. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.